My name is David and I'm the CEO of 3D Simo. We've created the 3D Simo Mini. It's smaller and paired with a mobile app, a smarter version of the original pen, the 3D Simo. We currently have working prototypes of the 3D Simo Mini and we need your help to get it into mass production.
Putting a pen to paper is a way to leave your mark. But what if we could bring to life what we place on that page? Where would our minds lead us? What masterpiece would we create? Introducing for the first time, the first ever Dual-Nozzle 3D pen. The 3D Scribbler Duo. Now easier than ever to build bigger and better 3D creations. Bring your imagination to life as your own creation literally comes off the page. Create your own world, your own art. It is the first 3D pen with 2 nozzles, allowing you to feed 2 different colors at the same time. No more endless back and forth just to build up your creation. You don't need to be a professional artist. The 3D Scribbler Duo is easy and fun to use for everyone. With the 3D Scribbler Duo, your imagination is your only limitation.
Unlike other 3D printing pens on the market, Poly-S utilizes light curing technology. Photosensitive polymers are exposed to ultraviolet light. At the same time, this allows the Poly-S to avoid disadvantages found in other printing pens that use ABS or PLA materials. We have completely eliminated all high-temperature parts, so that drawing no longer means having to work with high-temperature 500°C tools. Our goal is to provide users with the safest experience possible. We believe that 1.2 inches is the ideal diameter for hand-operated tools. This provides users with the greatest degree of control when holding the tool with one hand. From the LED battery indicator and ink level port to the pen's elegantly designed concave pen tip, every aspect of the Poly-S has been designed with the needs of everyday users in mind, so that drawing is an enjoyable experience.
The world should be colorful. Poly-S's beautiful exterior should convince you to say yes to a polychrome world. Poly-S is not only colorful on the outside, it's filled with color. You can mix and match inks in every color of the rainbow. We also have scented inks, inks that are transparent, glow in the dark, inks that change colors with different temperatures, and many other fun options. Poly-S's wide variety of inks provide users with a feast for the senses that goes beyond just 3D. The most colorful pen is also the safest. Blue LED ink, developed exclusively by FutureMate, can be solidified using light from the normal, visible spectrum, which makes Poly-S safer for children to use than any other 3D printing pen.
Our researchers put significant effort into developing blue LED technology, which was recently awarded a Nobel Prize in Physics. This technology can achieve the same solidification effect as ultraviolet light, but without any danger to eyes. In addition, the Poly-S comes equipped with a tilt sensor and safety switch, which is not only a technical improvement, but also a way to make sure that the Poly-S is completely safe for child use.
Your support will greatly help us to continue to develop this incredible product. We will continue to speed up the R&D process, so there's no need to wait until April of next year. Once our goal is achieved, we will do our best to bring Poly-S to you as quickly as possible. Moreover, We will continue to present you with more high-quality products from the Poly S series in the future.
.3D printing pens have been popular recently, but it's not safe for children when we actually use it. It has high temperature and to plug in. iPen is a real low-temperature 3D printing pen designed and developed for children. Using the base charge that can be picked up at any time to create. iPen operation is simpler, safer for children. And the drawing filaments are environmentally degradable. iPen is easier to charge. Just put it in. We also have designed various drawing stencils for children to practice. Children can join together into a three-dimensional models after painting. Not only practice children's imagination, but also manipulative ability. Many students like this kind of creative process and hope to have such courses. We are working with school and paying more attention to the feeling of using and the ability of creativity of children. Because it's light. When we want to create, we can take it anywhere to create anything. A tree, a leaf, even a stone. So try it. iPen has a perfect body design, just like an ordinary brush length, so it is convenient to use. Both sides of the body have feed key and back key. LED screen display temperature and electric quantity when using. It can be charged directly on the base when the battery is low. And when using the nozzle, temperature less than other 3D printing pen. Adults can be at ease, allow children to use iPen by themselves. After 12 months of unremitting efforts, our products finally meet you at Kickstarter. We appreciate the staff working on Kickstarter and you. We also hope every child enjoy their drawing fun with iPen. We want to get your support and feedback in the first place. Thank you.